Kathmandu, where every sound tells a story.
That was for the gods, sir.
And perhaps for the travelers too. The streets are crowded, noisy.
At Pashupatinath, faith burns bright. Yet only a few streets away, peace sits quietly.
Kathmandu teaches balance, noise and stillness, devotion and doubt.
Kathmandu isn't just a place. It's a feeling of being alive in the middle of contradictions.
Every journey teaches, and Kathmandu teaches us to see the divine in the ordinary. Subscribe for more animated literature stories. Learn through storytelling, the Pixar way.